If you've been suffering with a shoulder injury, these exercises could be just what you need to recover. The following exercises are not intended to replace your doctor's advice, but if you're a self-healer like me, I do recommend them, with caution. For this exercise, you're going to work on swinging your arms to restore full range of motion. Begin by placing your uninjured hand on the back of a secure piece of furniture. Now bend your upper body forward, allowing your torso to become parallel with the floor. Then allow your shoulder to relax and slowly swing your injured arm. 5 circles clockwise and 5 circles counterclockwise can be a great starting point, with you working to eventually increase the number of circles you're able to do. This is one of the shoulder rehab exercises you can do while sitting in a chair. With a straight back, move your shoulder blades in a backwards motion while keeping your arms at your sides. Now slowly squeeze as tight as you can without causing yourself any pain. When you reach that max point, count to 10 and then allow your shoulders to slowly relax. This exercise is as simple as gripping each end of a towel with one hand behind your head and the other behind your back, clasping the towel while you breathe normally and relax the muscles in your face. Do this for a count of 10 and then release. If you feel sharp pain, spread your grip or stop completely. You're going to grab a pull-up bar or something similar and completely relax your feet, with your feet still on the floor to support. Or if you're not in excess pain, you can utilize your entire body weight. You should feel a very gentle stretch and loose after each session. The other option is stand in front of a wall, walk your arms up it without bending at your elbows. Over time, gravity starts to reshape our shoulder joint. When you hang, you're stretching the muscles and ligaments in that area. You basically set up like you're going to do a dumbbell row on a flat bench, but you never row. You simply keep your arm flexed, fixed, and lift with your shoulder. Imagine trying to point your shoulder blade at the moon. This is another great shoulder rehab exercise. Stand with your arms at your sides and hold very light, maybe 2 to 5 pound dumbbells. Shrug your shoulders and hold that position for a count of 2 to 3 seconds. Repeat 4 to 8 times, resting 30 to 45 seconds between sets. With a more severe injury, your strengthening should initially be isometric, meaning contracting the muscles without movement. Start by standing perpendicular to a wall with your arms at your side. Now with your arm that's against the wall, bend it 90 degrees at the elbow. Place the back of your wrist against the wall and try to rotate the arm at the shoulder against the resistance of the wall. If you're experiencing severe or prolonged pain, be sure to speak with your doctor before doing any of these shoulder rehab exercises. The goal will be to get your body back to where it was, without doing anything that could potentially result in lasting damage to your shoulder. Once you've reached your previous baseline, utilizing these exercises for long-term maintenance is a great idea. Remember, health by choice, not by chance.